cat immediately climbed up the Christmas tree to get the star. Maybe he thinks there can only be one star in our house.
You are joking me. He goes up so quick. Stop! Is it chomping it?
He wants that star.
He wants the star, so it's all he wants is getting it. Stop. Release your grip, cat. I'll take you off this. Stop. Stop the whole trip!
Does your cat like snow? First and last, sniff onions. Cats should not consume onions. Sniffing them is okay. Why do all the stupid things happen to orange cats? Thank God the cat's safe.
Shit, let me in. Marshmallow. Get you a big camera.
This cat is ready for Halloween. I wouldn't miss a single lecture by a professor like that. Nothing can prepare you for something like this. Little cowboy's not so little anymore. The cat explained in detail why the puppy shouldn't eat from his bowl. Bro needs some help. He's stuck. This cat will never have to worry about his appearance, as the pet parrot will always touch up his hair, remove excess whiskers or fur. Bro got a little overloaded. When life gives you eggs, make an omelet. I only have one request. Free the cat.